Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have planned to draw a concept art of a tree. Before I proceed, I want you to know that I am not an expert in concept art. I simply enjoy drawing different things. So let's begin with the process of designing the tree. Before I start with the actual concept, I do some small studies on the structure of the tree by using various references from Pinterest. As you can see, I keep the sketches very simple and don't spend too much time on each one. Out all of this, I have selected this one. Next, I also draw some different types of stones. After this, I proceed to sketch the actual tree. And I also add some grasses down there. Once I complete the rough sketch, I begin to draw the line art using a normal brush. Now it's time to add colors. I start by adding some base colors. For the rocks, I use different values of colors to differentiate between them. Moving on, it's time for the final stage, which is shading. In this art, the light is coming from this direction. So this side will be lighter and this side will be darker. For shading, I am using a texture brush with blending ability. However, you can use any kind of texture brush and then blend the colors. If you want a tutorial of this brush, please comment below. I also experiment with different colors for shading. Sometimes I also use grayscale to find the values. Even though I am not very proficient in using it, I am still learning about grayscale. For shading the rocks, I use the same texture brush. Don't forget to use different layers for each rock during coloring, it will make shading easier. Now I hide the sketch layer and add some more color. Also I add some shading on the ground and the grass. After that, I add more texture to the rocks to give them a realistic touch. I also add some green color on the trees and the rocks to give them a mossy look. Additionally, I adjust the brightness and the contrast according to the requirements. After making some mood changes, it looks like this. I hope you all like this. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also let me know if I should continue making this kind of content. Feel free to comment below on what I should draw next. Thanks for watching.